And also bengifuna ukuthiwa ngenhlamba ney'nhlamba eningi, nginayo inhlamba-ke mina kuleka eningi futhi. Manje inkinga ukuthi mina angikakagezi ngisazilile, but ngiyakuhalela nje ngenje iy'nhlamba nje, ngiyakuhalela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Hebana. So kunemfana lana ligama lakhe lokungiyogi shaman laphana ku Instagram lo hambe owayongena ku inbox ya Cindy Makhathini, guys, wabhala the following message. Uthi, hello sisi Cindy, bengicela nje bandla mntakama ungifakisa ipi emzimbeni wakho nkosi yami, nasemlomeni ngicela ungifakisa sisi wami, ngike ngijabule nami njengezinye iy'ngane, ngibonge usazophendula. Amahloni kimi. I just wonder ukuthi mntwana bani lona, ngibhuti wabani and boyfriend yabani, because this is so embarrassing. Like, this is so embarrassing. Yabona bekuba ngqono angabe mhlambe bekashela, but lula khulumako, hey, ngiyathusa nkosi yami. So uSindi ufakile lapha ku IG story yakhe washo ukuthi if ngabe lokukhuluma kimi ngale ndlela bekukhulunywa mhlambe kumakwakho or ukusesi wakho, boyophathe kanjani? Bebe kuyothini kuwe wena, boyofila njani? And it's a good response because vele bayophathe kanjani nje bakubhala imessage le njena abayibhalele sesi wakhe babhalele makwakhe. How would he feel? Because this is so embarrassing. I went to i-IG yamfana ke nami ngithathe ngiyobona lo muntu ojwayela Cindy kabi, ngangena ma-comments bewagqwele ngebantu lababiya from i-post yaCindy, basi batobuka nabo ukuthi unjani lo mfana lo lobhalela Cindy kukhohlakala lokungaka. Sambona ubani abaningi, they were just swearing at the guy ukuthi hey wena mhlola uhlanye uloyiwe. The guy, this is so embarrassing, and I'm sure nayo ukuthi makangena amfana abone ukuthi baba ngiyatrenda lihlazo phela lokhu. What's even worse ukuthi has not even using a fake account, usebenzisa yakhe ngqo i-profile yakhe, ma-picture akhe, yonke into yakhe. Probably akacabanga nje ukuthi vele toyithola this attention lebekayifuna from Cindy Makhathini, guys. Lihlazo ave ningalisabi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.